Yes, you can compost in a small space, even on a tiny balcony. Many believe composting needs a big garden, but that's simply not true. With a little knowledge, you can turn kitchen scraps into rich compost right outside your window. Modern composting methods are compact, clean, and easy to manage. Imagine transforming your vegetable peelings and coffee grounds into life for your plants. Composting connects you to nature's cycle, even in the heart of the city. You'll become more aware of what you consume and throw away. Your balcony can become a productive living space, not just a place to sit. Forget complicated rules. We'll start with the basics and simple materials you already have. I'll guide you step by step from building your first bin to harvesting your own black gold. This isn't about perfection, it's about giving it a go and enjoying the process. Turn waste into wealth, one kitchen scrap at a time. Your plants will thank you, and you'll find real joy in the process. Let's begin this balcony composting adventure together. Composting isn't just for gardeners. It's a powerful way to help the planet. Food scraps in landfill create methane, a potent greenhouse gas. Composting stops that waste from reaching landfill, reducing pollution one banana peel at a time. In cities, composting reconnects us with nature's cycle. It turns a linear system of waste into a circular one of renewal and growth. Finished compost is alive with beneficial microbes, unlike sterile store-bought mixes. Using your own compost means less need for chemical fertilizers. You provide the scraps, nature does the work, and you get rich, crumbly compost in return. It improves soil, helps retain moisture, and feeds your plants slowly and naturally. It's the best thing you can do for your balcony garden and the planet. Small actions, big impact. You don't need fancy equipment to start composting. 2 plastic storage containers with lids, one smaller, one larger, are all you need. Drill holes in the bottom and sides of the smaller bin for drainage and airflow. Place bricks or bottles in the larger bin to elevate the inner bin and catch excess liquid. Nest the smaller bin inside the larger one. Drill a few holes in the lid for ventilation. This simple setup keeps things tidy and odor-free. Place your bin in a sunny, out-of-the-way spot on your balcony. You're ready to start composting, no big space or big budget required. This homemade system is perfect for beginners. Let's get your first batch started. Composting is like baking. A good mix of ingredients is key. Greens are nitrogen-rich fruit and veggie scraps, coffee grounds, tea bags. Browns are carbon-rich cardboard, newspaper, dried leaves, eggshells. Aim for 1 part greens to 2 or 3 parts browns for a balanced, odor-free bin. Never add meat, dairy, bones, or oily foods. They attract pests and cause smells. Avoid pet waste and diseased plants. Start with a layer of browns at the bottom, then alternate greens and browns. Always finish with a layer of browns to keep flies and odors away. This simple layering is your best defense for a clean, neighbor-friendly compost bin. Stick to these basics, and your compost will thrive. Remember, when in doubt, leave it out. Happy composting. Once your bin is set up, maintenance is simple. Keep compost as damp as a wrung-out sponge. Add water if dry, more browns if wet. Turn or stir the pile weekly to add air and speed up decomposition. Use a stick or old broom handle to mix materials from the outside in. For a boost, add a handful of garden soil or finished compost to introduce helpful microbes. Want even faster results? Try vermicomposting, adding red worms to your bin. Worms break down scraps quickly and produce nutrient-rich castings. A worm bin is low maintenance and perfect for balconies. Whether you use worms or not, regular care keeps your compost healthy. Watch as your scraps transform into rich, living soil. Your plants will love the results. Finished compost is dark, crumbly, and smells earthy. Sift it to separate fine compost from larger bits. Return the unfinished pieces to your bin. Use your compost as a top dressing for potted plants, just sprinkle a layer on top. Mix it with potting soil when planting new containers for a nutrient boost. Compost feeds your plants slowly, improving soil and reducing the need for fertilizers. You're reducing waste, fighting climate change, and creating something valuable. Composting connects you to nature's cycles, even in the city. Start small, be patient, and enjoy the process. Soon, you'll see healthier plants and a greener balcony. Your efforts make a real difference. Happy composting, your balcony revolution starts now.